So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm with Koy and Patrick.
Yeah.
And today, magmumukbang kami. Breakfast items to, no? So meron kaming skinless longganisa, chorizo de Cebu, ano to? Kalumpit longganisa, tocino, sisig, and the prawns from Koy.
Yes, prawns.
So magmumukbang tayo. And then, nag-post kami kagabi sa Instagram, like, ask us anything.
Ask us anything, and we've received some questions from you guys.
Daming fans.
We received a couple of questions. And if the winner couldn't
Take over.
shout out Miss Mexico.
Yes.
My mom.
Madam Jinky.
Oh, siya, let's start.
Let's start.
Okay, so anong unang tatry natin?
Wala pong basura dito yung mukbang na.
Naghugas po kami ng kamay.
Yes.
And yung gagawin namin is, traditional way of eating.
And Budel fight.
Budel fight.
Budel fight, yes.
Yes.
Ano yan? I love Siargao.
Yes, that's...
Paki-edit na lang, ha? I love Siargao.
Paki-AI na.
Tapos, yung background
pakipalitan
beach,
po.
tapos madaming abs.
Una, lalagay kang
Kanin.
Kumuha ka
Get
pang
some
nasi.
for yourself. Unahin mo yung sarili mo.
Sarili.
Anong ulam?
Anong isimulan natin?
Feeling ko mag-start muna tayo sa isang question. May mga nag-question sa'yo.
Sige, wait.
Tapos sa akin, tapos sa'yo.
Wala nga.
Totoo ba?
Hindi siya nag-post.
Bakit kasi hindi ka nag-post?
Busy.
Ito na.
Ay, sarap.
Hala,
Ang
akala ko ba
pinakamasarap
question
yung ulo.
muna?
Ay, sorry.
Sorry. Kumain siya.
Kumain siya.
Best of Store Lord.
Okay, this question is from Queenie. Si Queenie.
Queenie. Hi,
Sabi
Queenie.
niya, as a Filipino, and in your perspective, what does it mean when you talk about progressive food outside the Philippines? You have 30 seconds to answer the question.
Thank
Hindi
you
ko
so much for
alam.
that wonderful question.
So, I therefore conclude wala po tayong winner for today.
Wala akong
Hindi,
sagot.
pang Miss Universe naman yung
Ang
question
hirap
mo.
naman ang...
But we're gonna answer.
Yeah. So, I think, yung sinasabi niya is yung kung paano mag-serve ng Filipino food outside the country.
Anong... Like
Hindi ko
in
din
our
alam.
way? Ganun?
In our way. Siguro in a way na progressive daw. Well, for me, since nasa Australia kami, meron naman there's a couple of restaurants na nag-open up na, what can I say about it? I think it's okay to be...
To be
Ato to
open.
be...
Pero feeling ko isang oras tong vlog na to, yung pagkain.
So, ano ulit yung tanong?
Progressive.
Progressive. Yeah, I think okay naman na maging progressive as long as hindi mawala yung essence ng Filipino food.
Yeah.
Which means yung flavors and all.
Yes.
Like yung sisig. Like, ang daming ways kung paano siya i-serve.
True.
So, his own. To each his own.
Yeah.
Basta kung ano man.
At saka dito
Basta yun.
guys, especially sa Melbourne, parang ang daming Asian food as in Thai places, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese. Tapos, yung mga Filipino restaurants, parang nag-aano naman siya. There's a few, pero parang kilala, ganun.
Yeah, hindi siya as commercialized tulad ng Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese food. Pero I think one of the, hindi ko masabi yung problem, pero I think we also need to support the Filipino restaurants.
Yes.
True.
I know mahal kumain sa Australia, but the thing is, if we're eating out, feeling ko kasi very typical siya for Filipinos, especially the older generation na parang ang lagi nilang connotation is, kaya ko naman tong gawin sa bahay.
Totoo.
Parang yes, kaya mo, but
At least
maybe
introduce
hindi iba yung way nila sa way mo. But yeah, I think now, okay yung progressive way ng food here in Australia. But the thing is, kailangan natin siyang i-support pa.
True.
Ang sarap ng tocino.
Tocino
Sobra.
talaga. Oy, hindi na tayo nag-rate
Oo nga.
So wait, simulan natin yung rating sa tocino.
Tocino, may.
Okay, tocino.
8 out of 10.
It's a 9 for me. Ganyan yung gusto kong tocino.
Huh?
Hindi siya too sweet, hindi siya...
Ako gusto ko kasi yung sunog.
Ako din. Actually, 9 siya.
Gusto ko siya.
Kasi hindi siya lasang processed na
Yeah.
yung sobrang lambot na parang...
At saka sobrang tamis na ano.
Tsaka may laman. May mga
Okay,
tocino
so 9
taba.
siya. Yung prawns na niluto ni Koy, sakto lang.
Ay,
Parang
Sorry, ang bilis
nag-culinary arts ba? Hindi, masarap, masarap.
yung prawns,
Parang
siguro.
luto lang ng ano.
Wala, parang allergy ako.
Lah. Next question.
Yun.
Sa akin naman.
Shout out nga po pala sa mga na-awardan ng Michelin star.
Ah, yes.
I think
Congratulations.
I think that's a good way then to talk
For
about progressive
progressive,
food. Since my Michelin star na sa Philippines, which is very deserving.
yeah.
Finally, we have it.
Yeah, I think Filipino kasi.
Let's be nice to them because I think everyone's gonna be super busy now.
Yeah.
Habaan po natin yung pasensya natin sa mga pila, sa pag-reserve.
And then to the staff as well.
Yes, maging mabait po tayo sa staff.
Yes, bro, they're carrying so much pressure now kasi.
Yes,
Wait,
bawal
ito.
mawala. Ito, next
Okay.
question.
Next
Maganda
na pala.
tong question na to. Who's the best out of you three?
Sino nagtanong niyan?
Sino nagtanong? Baka ikaw lang
Ay,
nagtanong yan.
This is from Lucas Robertson.
Oh, Luca. So dapat English.
English.
So we should speak English.
Next question.
My family.
I feel like we have our own best in math, best
Yeah.
in English, best in
Science.
science, ganun.
And shout out sa best in TLE.
Ilagay mo yan, Rick.
You're the best.
Best in
Hoy, asan na tayo? Okay,
Sagutin yung
sagutin niyo
question.
muna.
Wala.
Well, sa amin naman, parang wala
Wala,
namang
walang
angat.
daigan,
Oo,
walang
yun yung maganda
daigan
sa
sa amin.
friendship namin. Kasi parang,
We have
sige,
each
when
other
it
though.
comes to food, I think si Patrick, more on innovation siya, ganyan.
Yes.
Plating, ganyan. Si Koy naman, very, magaling siya mag-makeup. Anong
Magaling siya mag-selfie.
magaling siya mag-selfie. Kaya niya mag-selfie.
Magaling mang-thirst
Mga
trap.
50 shots in 1 minute. Yeah.
50 shots. Same angle.
Pero ang mapopost isa lang.
Yeah.
Tapos, uy, i-repost mo to. Ganyan. Magaling siya dyan. Hindi. Sa food naman, si Koy magaling siya sa pastry and
Yeah.
hot kitchen din.
Yung crinkles niya ba masarap?
Oo, na hindi ko po natikman.
Kasi naubos.
Hindi siya naubos, hindi ako tinirhan.
Ako nga din hindi tinirhan.
Ay, okay. Live tayo from Dubai.
The best po yung crinkles niya.
Guys, wala na talaga nangyaring
Pang TL.
Okay, so ako naman, when it comes to food, wait, ano yung sense mo sa food?
Wait lang. Di ba dapat English kasi yung
Ay.
nagtanong
Wag na, hindi naman manunod ng vlog natin yun.
Baka inabangan niya.
Ikaw, sa tingin mo, ano yung strengths mo sa kitchen?
My family.
Ayun.
Feeling ko ang strength ko sa kitchen is...
English. What's ko?
Ano ba? Wala.
English.
Ganda-gandahan lang. Maano,
Hindi, si Koy.
feeling ko sa technique, ganon.
Oo.
Oo nga, feel ko mas kasi. He's very good in
Tsaka sa pastry.
technical.
Parang never kasi ako nag-aral ng pastry, pero parang yun talaga yung gusto ko. So, ano ko siya explain?
Self-taught siya.
Ganon, self-taught. Tapos si Mima.
Ako naman, I think,
All around.
I think sa flavors ako, yun yung
Yeah.
strengths ko. Like plating, aminado ako, hindi talaga ako magaling mag-plate. Pero when it comes to conceptualizing a dish, pati yung flavor profile, I think yun yung strengths ko with food.
True.
I think,
Yeah.
maybe sa experience ko na din since
Yeah.
12
Yeah.
years na ako sa kitchen.
Experience-wise.
True.
Yeah.
Experience-wise si Mima.
Wait, so anong rating nyo dito?
10.
10. 10 din
ako
po.
dito. Masarap
Kasi
to.
very garlicky. Tapos hindi siya yung
Bakit
super
ba to?
super fat lang.
Very kalumpit.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out po pala. Tapos pipila kami dun sa samahan.
Ikaw kalumpit, ako kupit. Sana.
Shout out sa'yo, tita.
So I think the answer to that question is
Wala po tayong
no one's like the best.
Yeah.
Parang we all know we have our strengths.
We have our
and-
own strengths.
Tapos
and
pag may weaknesses naman, parang
we help each other.
yeah, we help
Yeah,
each
that's
other.
true.
Improve or
Tapos wala din inggitan.
Yeah.
acknowledge.
At saka kung may kailangan ka, like, I can always run to these two. Always.
Paano yung takbo? Bago.
Ganun ni
Reverse
jogging.
walk.
Ito naman, parang lahat about food, pero this is from Sam Direct.
Hi,
Kasi I feel like we're
Sam.
all sa Instagram, parang
Ito naman, sabi niya, which Pinoy dish would you like to recreate or put your own twist on?
Meron na ako.
Recreate.
Si Patrick ang magaling dyan. So, what's your
Abangan
take?
nyo na lang po.
Hi guys! So, si Patrick will be joining Proud to be a Chef 2026.
Yes!
Yes. Koy did 2025, I did 2024. So, this is basically the generation of Proud to be a
Magaling
Chef.
tayo dapat. Corona. Hindi, kasi
Corona ba? Ganun yun. May nahulog na kanin, may bottles.
Send prayers na lang po.
So, pagdasalan si Patrick na mag-focus lang siya sa goals.
Yes po.
Sa goals ha. So, mag-focus sa goals. Yes.
Pero ang iba ang goal namin.
Salamat, Pilipinas. Ako
Go. Sumba mo,
Yeah.
Pat.
The next one, I'm gonna do sneak peek. It's, Boko Pandan and Suman.
Collaboration.
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 Ganun.
Mag-collab siya.
Ikaw, anong naiisip mo? Ay,
Wait
maganda
lang.
yun. Maganda yun.
Pwede tunukin muna yung longganisa.
Tuon-tuon ako sulod. Guys, hindi po nilulunok ang langganisa.
Ako kasi feeling ko kapag may gusto ka na dish, parang sobrang easy sa'yo na
I-recreate.
i-recreate mo siya or bigyan mo siya ng twist, ganon. So yung mga past na ginawa ko, parang in-innovate. Ano? Yun. So this time, feeling ko, I would put highlight on Puto Bongbong.
I like that.
Because I love Pasko and I love...
Oh my God, I want
Pampanga.
puto bongbong with cheese, kuya.
Yeah.
Shout out po kay Ate
Babies.
Grace.
Oo.
The best.
Manong, I want puto bongbong with cheese.
I feel like Puto Bongbong would be a really good, food
Ako?
to recreate.
Ano ba yung hindi na-recreate na food?
Na Pinoy.
Na Pinoy. Ako, siguro, I'll try to recreate. Next question, please. Ano bang pwedeng i-recreate? Siguro yung favorite food ko na lang, kare-kare. Pero kasi I think kare-kare is, hindi siya para sa taste buds ng lahat.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi maybe yung texture niya and all, pero I think kung i-recreate mo siya, mas madali siyang makakain ng ibang tao and lahi. So I think yun yung para sa akin.
Tsaka versatile siya when it comes to protein din.
Yeah, at saka ang daming
Component.
hindi, parang very sensitive sa taste yung peanut ng mga tao
Yeah,
dito.
yeah.
Kaya kapag natikman nila, like, alam talaga nila lahat ng
Also,
peanut butter.
a fun fact, yung peanut butter po here, hindi siya usually kinakain ng tao. Ayun ko, for me yun yung parang nasabi sa akin na
Sino kumakain?
usually for pets yung peanut butter. Yeah, parang hindi uso dito yung papalaman nila sa tinapay or...
Tsaka iba yung lasa ng peanut
Yeah.
butter dito. Iba yung texture, iba yung...
So wait, ano na yung i-rate natin? Since tapos na tayo sa mga... Sisig. Sige. Medyo malamig na siya, pero... Let's go.
Ako 7 sa sisig.
Na-try mo na siya.
7 out of 10.
Parang una mong tinry to, no?
Oo. Kasi parang may tenga. Kaya, masarap.
Bakit ba yung tenga? O dapat
may
meron?
tenga.
Dapat
Ako
meron.
yun.
Ay, nakikita nyo.
Ako 8 to sa akin. Gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya masyadong mataba.
Ako, 8.
Tapos may iba't ibang texture.
No? Yun yung tenga. Kaya,
At saka hindi siya puro sibuyas na
Yes.
yung mga magtitindang sisig dyan, lagyan yung tenga. Yun lang po.
Pero masarap siya. Tapos may konting kick na siya ng anghang.
Yeah. Paano yung cake?
Sumipa. Sumipa siya.
Ito, parang hindi nyo pa natikman to.
Hindi pa.
RC.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Guys, rice pa.
Hello? Dito mo makikita kung sino yung pinakamalakas kumain sa amin.
Alam ko
Di-
po ako
di
yung
po ako
pinakapayat, pero hindi po talaga yung pinakamalakas ko. Mateo, come on, try it.
No, I'm fine.
Come on!
Try! But you have to use your hand.
So wait, ano yung try natin? Hindi, question muna. Question.
Question number 2.
May mga natanggap din po kami mga laro na question like
Oh.
from Miss Universe. So, from Ali Timor, .18.
Hello? .18.
Could you recommend a good cooking school for a pastry making course?
I scam!
Dito sa Australia.
sorry.
May Australiano yung nagtanong.
Australian.
Yeah.
Sorry, I scam.
Nare-recommend niya. And then maybe, naman, iba-iba.
Depends on
It
your...
really depends on your budget.
Yeah.
And to be honest, hindi ako nag-work na.
Ay, wait.
hindi ko
Mateo will
ganun-
try it.
Yeah.
Come on. Say hi. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Say, oh.
This one, girl.
Hi vlog.
That's
Welcome to my
sweet
guys.
sausage.
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hindi siya marunong magkawain.
What do you think?
What's your rating out of 10?
It's good.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
I would say 8.
Oh.
Just because I'm not a
What?
big fan of sweet meat.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
you like sweet. You like tocino, Mateo. The sweet pork.
Yeah,
This
but
one,
it's
this
different.
This one. That's it.
That's-
But this is a
Tocino.
different brand.
Yeah.
You won't
Ah,
like it
garlic.
because it's
Ayaw
garlicky.
niya. Oh, you don't like garlic?
No.
Very garlicky.
Yung
So
mga
when you
Italiano
burp-
yung garlic, no?
Mm.
This one, never eat it when you're going on a date. It stays like 3 days. When you burp, smells like garlic.
Okay, so asa na tayo?
Ito.
Ano yung question?
Question.
Na-question ko na.
No school.
Yung
What
school.
school would you recommend in Australia?
Personally, I didn't take any pastry school.
Yeah, so
Same.
yeah, I didn't study pastry here as well. But like what I said earlier, it really depends on your budget.
Budget. Yeah. How long you
Because
want
there's
to
School
study.
of Anglies, there's
There's
Academia,
Academia,
but
The cordon.
the Cordon Bleu.
The
But
Cordon Bleu.
I think those are like the top 3 that always comes in my mind. And when I know someone na nag-aaral ng pastry or cookery, it's always
the Cordon Bleu.
the Cordon Bleu,
But
Academia,
that will
and
cost
William
you a
Anglis.
fortune.
But if you're in the Philippines, ice comes.
Yeah, there's ice
Sorry,
cream.
global. Sorry, global. Global. Okay, so i-rate na natin tong chorizo de Cebu.
Ay, masarap siya.
Parang hindi na nagustuhan. For me, 8. Medyo bobo lang yung taba niya.
I think for me 7. Because I like only
Seven
because I like this one.
with
Mas gusto mo yung
gusto ko
garlic.
to, ako rin. Mas
Eh.
gusto ko yung garlicky.
Pag natapos ko yung video, comment down below sino pinakamadami nakain.
Hindi ko siya ma-open, pero feeling ko naalala ko naman ng question. May nagtanong is, nung nag-move daw ako here sa Australia, ano yung pinakauna kong naging struggles and paano ko siya na-overcome? For me, feeling ko yung struggle ko nung pinakauna is yung language barrier. Hindi ba siya barrier? Pero more of how to understand
Just wrong in
the
accent.
slang and
Slang words,
accent.
yes.
That's so true.
Especially sa kitchen na kailangan mo laging kausap yung front of house and all that. Parang nung, siguro mga
Sobrang
first
ibang
week ko
system
na
nila,
nag-work, medyo parang ako,
Culture.
Can you repeat that? So yun, pero throughout naman, masasanay ka din.
Parang siya na magiging language.
Oo. So, minsan, pag mahalata yung mga Pinay na matagal na dito, na parang naiiba na yung slang nila. Hindi naman siya, feeling ko, hindi siya try ng mga Pinoy na mag-ibang kung paano sila magsalita ng English. Pero I think, kasi nasa ibang bansa tayo, so kailangan din natin mag-adapt kung nasa
Huwag niyo
tayo.
pong binabash yung mga sa nasabi mo, loop, oxen siya.
Yeah.
Totoo yun, ma-adapt mo kapag everyday mo talaga silang kausap. Na hindi mo na mamalayan.
Tsaka meron kasi din mga locals na hindi nila naintindihan pag American or Filipino accent.
Kapag
Totoo.
may R ka, parang,
Ha? Sabi
parang, what?
Parang-
Can you repeat that? Ganon,
May
hindi
one
nila
time din
mag-gets.
sa akin sa
Wait lang.
RV upload.
Be, ba't may mga nakareserve? Para namang mauubusan ka.
Variety kasi, variety.
Iba-iba
Guys, may mga naka-reserve. Oh. Takot maubos.
Iba-ibang kagat kasi. Oh, ikaw na ko.
Ako naman, feeling ko yung ito talaga tinandaan ko to kasi pinakaunang tinirahan ko dito is suburb. Tapos, ano siya, white suburb pa siya. Tapos parang, kasi sa Pinas, di ba, kapag nagutom ka, parang labas ka lang ng bahay, may fishball, may siomai, ganon. Dito, parang kailangan mag-grocery ka muna, or kumain ka sa restaurant. Walang cheap eats na parang,
Tuhog.
oo, walang ganun. So, you really have to cook at home or spend money pag gutom ka.
I
Yun
can
yung parang
relate to that as well.
Yun yung parang na-miss ko sa Pinas na
O mga nagising ka ng 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Kaya pa nag-Netflix ka, ang daming bukas.
may mga tapsilugan.
Tapsilog.
Dito as in wala.
Wala. Meron naman, pero it's either Chinese food or yung HSP. Para siyang kebab na may fries. Yun lang. Pero actually, pa siya try.
Tapos napakalayo pa. Almost parang mga 24 hours sa city. Tapos sa suburb ako. So, pipiling ko one of the struggles yun. Beside the language barrier.
Ako? Siguro ako iba yung answer ko. Like,
Ano?
mas nag-struggle ako mag-adjust with other Filipinos. Like,
Spicy.
kunyari ako di ba Kapampangan? Medyo direct ako magsalita, direct yung humor ko.
Okay.
Tapos
Oh.
yung
Na-offend sila.
ibang province. Tapos parang ako, di ko din alam, ay, offensive pala siya, parang gano'n. Tapos, syempre, iba-iba kaming lifestyle. Tapos, parang lahat bagong dating dito. So, everyone's finding that, parang, where do I fit in? Parang gano'n. So, may struggle din sila na gano'n. Kaya parang, ikaw mismo,
Parang minsan wala sa'yo, pero meron na pala sa kanila, ganun.
Oo. Tsaka, kunyari ako, parang apali, ay, Angeles din. So, parang, mostly, di ba, Angeles, medyo, iba yung lifestyle, parang gano'n. So, yung lifestyle na yan, minsan nadala ko dito. Tapos parang may iba na, hala, bakit ganyan yung, niya, yung ganito siya, ba't ganyan siya. Like, yun, mas nag-struggle pa ako mag-adjust with other
mga
Filipinos compare sa ibang lahi. Kasi like, wala silang pake parang yung ibang philo, mas may pa
But
sila.
I feel
Mas may say.
Oo, mas may say pa sila.
Kaya, guys, lahat tayo Filipino here. So,
Yeah.
True.
Be kind to each other.
yes.
Pero tayo lang din yung magtutulungan.
Yeah. Pero not everyone is
Yeah.
like
Oh, yeah,
that.
not
No?
everyone.
Kasi
Tayo lang din yung
I
magkakaintindihan.
work
parang
with
ganun.
Filipinos. Parang 50% ng kitchen namin is Filipinos and it's really, really good. So I think it just depends on the person kung,
Yeah.
you know.
But yeah, surround yourself with good people as well.
True.
That's very important.
May nag-judge sa akin kasi may kinausap ako English. Alam, ba't to pa English? Malamang English yung
Alam nyo,
kausap ko.
Kami sa work, kahit na mga Pinoy kami, nag-i-English pa rin kami.
Oo, kasi parang-
Promise.
Kasi hindi
Respect
lang
sa
naman kayo
other.
yung nandito eh. So, for me kasi, I find it medyo parang offensive if
Yeah.
may ibang lahi tapos hindi na maintindihan yung sinasabi niyo. I mean, alam naman natin na kahit hindi natin sila pinag-uusapan,
True.
Yeah.
but they might think na
Lalo na
pinag-uusapan
if sa
sila. So,
professional
setting.
setting yan.
Yeah.
Nagtanong ang auntie ko,
Alam, ay auntie, pa-Jago ka naman. Anong sabi ni auntie?
if you were to be Miss Universe,
Ah,
how would you inspire other people? Hala.
ano yan?
Totoo nga! Totoo nga!
Grabe naman si Tita.
Okay, palitan na lang natin. How would you inspire, siguro, other philos to
Who wants to move to Australia?
abroad? Parang ganun, yeah.
Or abroad in general na lang. Para.
Yeah.
Yeah, abroad in general. Ano yung tanong? Paano may inspire?
How would you inspire other people now?
Ako na.
Go.
I think for me, like, show also the bad sides.
Yes.
Not only
Don't,
the
don't
good side.
fabricate everything.
Yeah, don't sugarcoat. Kasi,
Fabricate.
parang,
Damit ka.
if people are gonna see you struggle and then succeed, mas inspiring siya. So if you only share all your success stories, parang,
Your lavish
Yeah,
lifestyle
yeah.
and
True.
all that.
If-
Isipin nila masarap yung buhay here. Okay.
if you show your
That's
tears, your blood, your sweat, parang mas mapapaisip sila na, kaya ko din, ganyan. So parang, even if I struggle, pag nag-move ako, alam kong hindi ako alone, parang gano'n.
Yeah, you have to expect the worst to na parang yun nga, yung mga struggles din. How would I inspire? Paano ba? Feeling ko ako, siguro based on my experience, parang mga students from Philippines na nag-chat sa TikTok ko. Kasi, I get it why. Kasi nung nag-apply ako to my school sa academia, ganun din ako, nag-search ako ng mga TikTok videos about academia, tapos nag-message ako sa mga students dito na, paano ba yun, ganyan-ganyan, ang daming questions. Parang, easier kasi kung magtanong ka sa may experience talaga. So, lately, I was just answering those questions sa TikTok account ko, mga nagme-message, ganyan. Feeling ko that's a way to inspire them, and yun nga, parang answer mo lang yung mga questions nila, kung paano to, paano
Giving a
yun,
hand,
ganyan.
parang
Yeah.
Be the helping hand.
Yeah, even if you don't know them personally, at least, di ba? Parang it's a big help for them to know what they would expect, especially sa studies dito. Since we all came here for studies.
True.
That's it.
Sometimes like one message can literally change your
I know.
decision, ganun pa. No.
And the Miss Universe 2025.
Uy, wala pa.
Ay, wala pa.
Cooking
Ikaw pala muna,
show.
Ming.
Ako, hindi. Actually, for me, same din with Patrick. Parang, just be yourself. Parang ipakita mo kung ano talaga yung naranasan mo here or kung nasaan ka man. And that way, hindi mamimislead yung mga tao na, uy, madali lang palang kumita ng pera dito. Parang, yes, sige, mataas yung sahod dito. But the thing is, mahal din yung pagkain, yung transportation,
The bills are
and all
catching
that.
up.
Yeah, the bills,
Bro,
yung
the
rent,
rents.
and all that. So, I think pretty much the same with Pat.
Yeah.
Parang, if you wanna inspire others. Okay, so I think my last question from one of my friends na gusto na actually mag-apply ng student's visa here. But he was asking me, is it still worth it to apply for a student's visa in Australia?
A lot of people are asking me that one as well.
Okay, I'll start. For me, I think it's worth it if you really want the course that you're gonna study.
True.
And if you're not gonna rely on a job to pay for your tuition once you get here.
Sobrang
I think, yeah, that's gonna be, you're gonna struggle a lot if you don't have enough financials to cover your tuition fee. Parang, yes, coming to Australia is one thing, but surviving in Australia is another.
Different
That's true. You should always
So-
have your plan B, plan C, plan D.
Yeah, parang,
Today.
yes, I get it. Parang there are pathways na if I take this course, I can get a permanent residency. But the thing is, for me, it's the same way. I started studying here, and the chefs are in demand. But now, it's
So
really hard
hard.
to get sponsorship. So for me, study what you want. Just don't study cause you want to
wanna
stay
be
here
here.
for good.
True.
So yeah, make your money worth it.
Very
And
much.
Australia is not the only country wherein you can live
And study
and study
work.
and work. So
Parang same answer din, pero like, maybe I can say na, like, really research on what's going on. Kasi, laging papalit-palit yung rules nila dito. I think every 7 months or every 6 months, yeah. It's always changing. Kasi nung pumunta ako dito, parang after COVID, they opened it again. So, ang daming students, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, after a year, parang naging strict na sila ulit. But I think it's still worth it. I feel like especially going to abroad in general is
yeah,
worth it.
it's worth it.
Especially with all the things that are happening sa Pinas at this moment. So,
Yes, true.
Yes, ano din, yes and no. Parang, depende talaga siya. I think it really depends on your status in life na din.
Yeah.
Parang, yun nga, mahirap talaga if susupport mo yung sarili mo, like tuition fee, baon, ganyan. Ako kasi honestly, nung nagsastudy ako, sinusupport pa ng parents ko yung tuition fee. Tapos sinahelp din nila ako with allowance. Pero nagsistruggle pa din ako financially kasi minsan nga, di ba nga 24 hours lang yung cap? Minsan, di mo man makukompleto yung 24 hours.
yeah, same with me.
So parang kulang pa din
sinupport
siya,
din ng
no?
tatay ko yung first 3
Yo, and I
months
think
ko na ano.
That's one of the reason. First major factor talaga is yung financial stability
Financial.
mo. Worth it siya, yes, because yun nga, may experience kang ibang culture, lifestyle. Basta yun, parang ibang-iba talaga siya sa
Ibang,
Pinas. Balay.
Like, look, iba-iba.
oo, iba-ibang lugar.
Iba-iba yan.
Yun.
Yun yung meaning namin. Iba-ibang
Iba-iba.
food,
Flavors. Yeah.
ibang flavors.
Iba din yung opportunities na nag-open.
Yes.
But sometimes you really have to work twice as hard
Okay.
as
And
others.
I think also I just want to add, just a tip, if we're talking to any like visa agencies and all that, because they're gonna give you schools, but the thing is you can do research as well on your own. If, for example, because I think they're gonna give you the best schools in Australia, of course, because it's for you as well. But the thing is, if you can't afford it, then there might be a cheaper option.
Yes.
True.
Yeah, which happened to my case as well when I was fixing my student's visa.
So yun din. Tsaka isang factor din nga yung parang aralin mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo. Hindi lang para... Kasi nakakadagdag siya sa burnout and homesickness. Parang ganun. Kasi you're not happy with what you're doing. It's worth it, yes and no.
Yeah, kasi nung nag-start din ako, I was, kasi parang may time pa yun na unlimited hours pa yung students. Tapos yung pagkadating ko
That's my time.
Yeah, he's very lucky. Pagdating ko parang meron pang time na ganun. Tapos yun yung ginawa ko after 4 days, nakuha ko ng work. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na yun, work, tapos study, work, study. Tapos parang sabi ko, oh my gosh, ganito pala yung buhay dito. Parang non-stop ka,
International
ganyan.
student.
Hanggang sa parang nakaipon ng konti. And then, I started having like plans na, this month, parang kahit mag-road trip ka lang, ganun. You have to have something to look forward to para it can keep you going. Parang ganun.
Kasi minsan parang wala ka ng karapatan mapagod pa.
Yeah.
Minsan talaga may
Kasi kailangan
ganun.
mo
Parang minsan, bawa, usual na work shift mo is 5 days. Pero pag nag 3 days ka lang, pag nakita mo yung sahod mo, ay shit, bawal ako kumain sa labas this week.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, worth it naman pag nakita mo na yung paycheck mo.
Yeah.
Pero the thing is, mararamdaman mo siya if inipon mo siya and gastusin mo siya sa Pinas.
Yes.
I think it's the buying power. Yun yung okay here. Pero if you just earn and spend it here, para ka lang din nag-work sa Pinas actually. So, it's all about saving as well. Alam mo,
Investing.
ikot na yung ang tanong lang kung worth it.
Inspirational.
So, if you're...
If you're 18 and above,
Follow our agency.
apply for Vegas models.
Las Vegas models. Do you have a pleasing personality? Hindi mo alam yun?
Hala,
Gosh.
Welcome to Love
this
Island.
job might be for you.
Thanks.
Walang po Love Island.
So yeah, I think that's it for today's video.
And
Ang
thank you so
pinakamadaming
much to-
ulam na nakain ay si
To Miss Lenny.
Thank you to Miss Lenny for providing this amazing.
This
Baka
amazing
naman.
spread.
Kung gusto mo parang part 3, alam mo na.
We're happy to,
Alright, let's say goodbye. Alright,
Thank you, everyone.
bye.
Till next time.
So if you want to request any videos, if you have any questions, just comment down below.
Kung gusto niyo pa magpadala ng free dinner.
Follow us on our Instagram.
Yes.
So
Pray for me!
yeah, pray for Patrick.
Pray for Patrick.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Ang dumi ng kamay.
Stop the car.